Ulat ka Meghalaya C.H Vijayashankar ha ka tarik Nailur ula Pynkup Burom ye ki Champion Subroto Cup Under-15 na Nongjri Presbyterian High Secondary School Ribhoi District ke wanrah ka nam lahduh ha ka Subroto Mukherjee Cup Under-15 Boys ka Shillong ha Bangalaru. Ha kini kesngi la donlang Myntri rangbah Conrad K Sangma Myntri ka tnad sports ba Shakliar Warjri ba MLA ka Mawhati Constituency ba Charles Marngar. Ha ka jingkren ha kini kesngi ulat iaroh ya kini ka kynhun ya ka jingtrei shitom jongki bakin yo'ra ya ka nam jingjob ha ka jingkren final bat ong banjob ha kini ka lumpung yele akai kamdei ka basuk henry da ka jingtrei shitom bat ka mensim yele kala wanrah ya usok ka jingjob ulat iaroh aru ya ka jingtrei shitom jong ka sarkar jela kabala kershan ya kini ka kynhun bakan poi ya ka jingjob ha kini ka lumpung Shushu ulah kentu ya ke sarkar ban yai beteng ban kentiu ya ki kam yele akai haki wei pat ki jat jing yele akai ulat ai jing rap ru da ka song pisah shilak shi hajar tingka syakani ka kenhon.
Before I read something here, I am really very happy. Some of the things to quote here. Where actually this Subroto Mukherjee tournament being conducted, that is my home state. There we have won this tournament. The team which you have been defeated is the Rajbhavan secretary. He belongs to that state UP. And during my school days, Mr. Sangma, one thing we have to keep in mind, we can call this age adolescent age. Below 14 or below 16, we can call them adolescent. Whatever the education to be given, whatever to be taught, it is the age between 6 to 16. After that, maturity will come. They take their own decision. But up to 16, they depend on us, depend on the parents, depend on the teachers, depend on the environment, depend on the friends, depend on the circle. How we take them, how we make them to move forward is very, very important. If at all I am able to remember my school days, I can say, not only sports teachers were able to find craft teachers in the school, being appointed officially. Not only craft teachers, even musician teachers were able to see in the school. The overall personality development, only that is the right time to develop them in a proper way. And we do not know the inherent talent. It is a God gift, I can say, inherent talent. That is there in everybody. That is there in everybody. Until unless we touch, until unless we understand what is the capability of each children, each child, each student, it is very difficult to boost it in a proper manner.
Hoga jing job jungi ya daga tournament Subroto Cup 15 tasna ka long sha jikmen ni bro khantam ni ka Nongjri Presbyterian School bat unjur ki nong Shillong ka Nongjri ba unjur bat ya ka Ribhoi Buro away nor ka sig ni kong school na Ribhoi ra ya Champion Subroto Cup di ki barang sa inang di sedin dengan try nomor ji bak penclear di coach dan bahabat ke akademi gede Nongjri di katum gajingi pembet dengan try kinang mi ko ni nang klan susu ya dengan akademi but kena ibon kendai kena ibon di school Nongjri
bapun kre ba hadin ba fiyo pan ra ya ka state level nang di but mi soto ke jipang kre ko jipi hadin ba fira di state level
Hadin bangila ra ya ka.
Wan ketika lain nih.
Hadin bangila yo champion nanti ko Bangalore nam tarik jong ka Under-15 Kebenar kong ngimlak kunda ingu yo blay alam ini nandu bangimi na ka jela hadu kate cika kabunda kejingya nanti kejongi keba ni lakmat ni ya kibapun kijinge kibungi kendo nandu ka praktis ka jaka kilan mat jongi dan anta danda rangi lapoi saka state level namapa de kejing arab jongi sar Jeffrey Walati andang lapoi saka international level ro de mi hiba lai arab ingi na posak por ban yalam ya kene ketim andrei ilong mi kumusabi bala ban yalam ya ka tim Ribhoi jongi ban wan state bat kunjur syati international yang ngamla tunda ai kublei bat kunjur ya isa bubi ibla pendit pendiang dengan ta jongka state level ro tamta ka praktis jongi bat hadu kane ka bangi poisi duk international level ro ka direktorat ni terus kala pendit pendiang na duk jakasa ni pi ki bangi dan nang la poi te ro da kan sukumen ka bakau ba kala barok ko la menelek kai bah kumba ke ke ba ni kai ni kai ki madan la benlek ada ke jingtrei shitom jengki ke jingtrei shitom lang jengi bat manager kolong hukum undang ai bayalam ini kita boleh ke jenis sumut tak ada ubah kau bakatin jengi ka long ini long champion akan dikasih.
Akhirnya kita jingde jumpi